Hi guys, so today I'm doing one of my absolute favorite looks, that gorgeous glass skin inspired Korean makeup. You know, the kind where it looks like you are barely wearing anything, but your skin still looks so flawless and fresh. So yeah, I've already done my skincare, so let's get straight into it. First things first, primer. I'm going in with this hydrating blur primer. I love it because it feels super fresh and smooth. Plus, it's got niacinamide, vitamin B5, aloe extract, and chamomile. My skin instantly feels plump and ready for makeup. Next, I'm using a cushion concealer just under my eyes to hide my dark circles. Then, a tiny bit of soft focus foundation, literally a pea-size amount. I want this to feel weightless, so I'm blending it out with a brush for that seamless finish. The coverage is just right, even but still skin-like. Korean makeup is all about subtlety, so I'm taking a soft shade from my eyeshadow palette, dusting off the excess and sweeping just a hint across my lids. Then, a tiny delicate wing with eyeliner. Next, I'm curling my lashes and adding a light coat of mascara just to open the eyes. For blush, I'm using this airy pink shade that blends effortlessly. Just a touch on the apples of my cheeks, a bit on the nose for that cute flushed look. Next, using this lip liner, I'm softly lining my lips but only at the outer edges. Then, instead of applying lipstick directly, I'm dabbing it on with my fingers so it melts into the lips. Natural and soft, just like the Korean gradient lip trend. Now for the final step to lock everything in, a light dusting of loose powder to keep away shine and a quick spritz of setting spray. And we are done. Here's the final look, guys. Fresh, subtle, and glowy. So let me know if you guys want me to do more makeup tutorials, and I'm gonna link all the product links down in the description box, so please do not forget to check that out, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Yeah, I'll see you next time.